Hello YouTubers, my name is Barbara and I am going to, there's something on the camera, it's not on my face. Anyhow, I am going to test out my Bluetti today. I'm going to use it to power my electric Moka Pot. It's kind of the big one. It's got 800 watts. Move it over this way. Okay. There. We're going to turn it on here. So we're at 100%, I'm assuming. And we're going to get my electric Moka Pot. Let's see, where's my electric Moka Pot? What did I do with it? All right. Normally I wouldn't be on the floor on my knees. Here we go. So we have an electric, my teapot. It's electric. A sandwich maker. It's electric. And then my Moka Pot. I value the counter space. I also have this. I got some extra counter space here. All that. All right, here we go. We are going to do my Moka Pot. All right, here we go. And in this little Moka product, it's from the brand Yamusa. They have this little container or little flat piece here to change your the level of coffee. So what I read is this takes about 5 minutes to brew. All right, ready? All right, it is, what time is it? It is 12:02. All right, here we go. All right, the Bluetti just powered on. And it's 12:02. It takes 5 minutes to this to brew. I don't know why this is not on. There. So the output is 400 watts. What I like about this one compared to the Bluetti, it has this plastic black thing that actually, instead of the coffee spitting out, it pours out like a fountain. Still at 100%, so it doesn't tell you any drain, so that's really good. We're gonna boil some water. So we have this. Okay, I was struggling with the lid to open this lid, so this is in a locked position. There's two little knobs here, two little handles, so there we go. I think this is about 4 cups of water. We're gonna just do half the pot. So I have the water at about here, so it's on, and it is drawing 700 watts of power. Ooh. It's hot. I can't look at this well. Oh, we're down to 80%. And it's been how long? It's been 4 minutes. I do like the lid, how there's like this little locking mechanism. Oh, that looks hot. So I would say right now the water is ready. So we're gonna turn it off. Yeah, it's boiling. It took about 4 minutes. So my Bluetti now is down to 80%. We are going to make breakfast. I'm going to make scrambled eggs with shredded cheese on top, and I'm going to use my Bluetti. I created a mess in my van. This is what I did after recording how my Bluetti works, and okay, this will keep me busy for a couple minutes. But it was a success. Let's see what my power station says. Well, I'm still at 80%, so I was able to cook in my teapot, my Moka Pot. Tonight we're going to see how that heater works, and my little mini sandwich thing, which I didn't really like. I didn't like how the eggs poured, or it was easy to spill. But yeah, I have a mess. And as I was cleaning up, I see my Bluetti fits nicely under my bed with about, let's see, a little space. Anyhow, I'm very pleased with that. I do lose a bin, so that bin there is my junk drawer. I'll just put it in the front seat. Oh, we're gonna have the heater up here, and then the Bluetti is down here. Okay, it's drawing 131 watts. We're at 80%. This is the little heater. Right. And we'll keep an eye on this. Okay, the temperature here in the van is about 50. So it's 8 o'clock.